This is a stretch we commonly use to stretch the hip flexor. The only problem is that getting into this position can cause a cramp in the hamstring. So where's the hamstring? Right back there. Why does that happen? Something called active insufficiency. That's when you shorten the muscle from both sides of the joint, because the hamstring is a biarticulate or two-joint muscle. It crosses the hip and the knee. So in this position, it does the two actions of the hamstring, which sets it up for a cramp. So if you do get cramps in this position, here's one thing you can do. So come on down from that position. Come off the bench completely. Off the bench completely. All right. So first, you would give yourself a little bit of slack in the hamstring by placing your hands down low. All right, and get low with your torso. Then put your knee in the crevice there, and foot up there, and then come up tall. That just buys some slack in the hamstring. That usually takes care of it. But for those that are particularly tight in the hamstring, that might not do it. So come on off the bench again. So you could use a process called inhibition. So if you turn on your quad, the hamstring can't contract. So go ahead and put your hands back on the bench there. Get low. Put your foot on the backrest. Now push your foot into the backrest. That turns on the quad. And then you keep that contraction as you come up. So come on up, keeping that contraction in your quad. And that usually does the trick.